If you find yourself stuck in Reykjavik because your excursion's been cancelled, then the Visitor's Guide to Iceland website recommends 3 walking trails that you can take and complete without leaving the city itself. This video covers the second of the 3 trails that we did, covering the South Shore Loop. We set out at sunrise, heading into the city centre. We headed away from the harbour up towards the magnificent Roman Catholic Cathedral before dropping down again to Lake Tjornin. Having passed Reykjavik's oldest and somewhat Gothic cemetery, it was a long plod down to the south shore past the university. Arriving at the shore presented us with an incredible sight: sea ice. It was a really pleasant walk along the coastal footpath. There was plenty to see. We soon arrived at Northolsvik Geothermal Beach, where we saw plenty of locals enjoying the warm waters pumped up from below the ground. Then the trail took us into a densely wooded area which had some pretty icy paths to negotiate. We soon reached Perlan with its cafes and plenty of visitor exhibits. Dropping down off the hill, we re-entered Reykjavik and we soon found ourselves back at our hotel. Trail 2 done.